It's allocation o'clock here in Legacy Gardens Phase 1, Ikorodu. This is another batch of allocation for our wonderful clients. Because of this allocation, they have to put it into batches, and today is another batch of allocation. And you know, anywhere they're talking about allocation, that is where you find Mr. Property, because we don't only just fill up the sentence about you getting a plot. We make sure we put a full stop, and the full stop is when you take possession of your land and where you get your documents, and that's where we come in. And for things like that, we do it physically. So we are right here in Legacy Gardens Phase 1 to take possession on behalf of our clients. We're representing all of our clients because coincidentally, all of the clients that bought from this estate that are getting allocated today, they are all in diaspora. And our what we do is to take the burden off you. Our job is to make sure you don't get to break a sweat. Our job is to make sure that we do the needful, and this is where we come in. And that's why we are taking that burden off your shoulder to make sure you get your allocation. Make sure you like, comment, and share this video, and make sure you watch it till the end. Legacy Gardens Phase 1 allocation currently ongoing. This is how we spend our weekends, making sure you take possession. It is not enough to buy, but taking possession and taking possession of your document as well. I will see you later on in this video. I want you to stick around. Another promise fulfilled, Mr. Enoch. We are here to help you not just take possession, but to make sure that you get to see what you paid for. Thank you so much for your patronage. We are standing right here at your acre being paid for. You can see that there's a mold of block to demarcate where your acre starts from, and you can see your name boldly written by the company, Enoch Ayodeji Ogoluwa's Court. We thank you so much for your patronage. God bless you. We cannot thank you enough. This is Cozy Havens being represented by Barrister Mayomi Williams in person. And like I promise in a lot of my videos, I do not delegate allocation. I do not delegate allocation. I make sure I'm there in person to show my clients what they are paid for. Thank you so much, Mr. Enoch, for your patronage, for believing in the brand, despite not seeing us physically. The least we can do is to show you what you have paid for, and supporting, and make sure you get supporting documents to support what you have paid for. God bless you. If you have questions, I will be more than willing to answer. Your documents will be sent to you. If you want it to be sent via DHL, you can tell us. And if you want it to be delivered to anybody in Nigeria, we can also do that. God bless you, sir. And this is a peek of the surrounding view of the estate. God bless you so much, sir. Thank you so much. This is me delivering on my promise of delivering your plots of land to you, and the surrounding documents. The documents are here with me, but I'm not with my gimbal. I'm shooting while doing this video. So in subsequent part of this video, you get to see your documents and all of that. And if you have any question for me, I am always available round the clock to answer all questions. God bless you, Mr. Enoch. Thank you for trusting the brand Cozy Havens. Mr. Property, the property, signing out. God bless you. Pumba.
Start.
It's been one hell of a day, So all allocations have been done, as you can see in the video. It's been a very long day. But like I said, we don't complain. But part of the reason we do this video is for you to see the process. See the process of taking possession. See the process. There's fun in buying property, and that is why we take you every step of the way. We don't only show you the fancy offices where you buy, we only also show you what you get to enjoy on the field, how you take possession, where your land is allocated, and also surrounding neighborhood development, surrounding where your estate is located. That is why we do all we do. It's been a very long day. As you can see, let me show you my eyes. You can tell by how stressful it has been. Legacy Gardens Phase 1 is massive. Please help me show them the size of the estate. You can see the size of the estate. You can see the size of the estate. You can see people down. all of these places are part of the estate. They are all part of. You can see banners of owners of the different estates. It goes way down, and coincidentally, some of our clients that bought, where their own allocation is far from the others. But because we are here, we have to make sure that we take you there to where your land is. So imagine covering the length and breadth of these estates without you driving. It's impossible for us to drive there, so we have to trek down. So when I said it's a long day, I mean that by every word. But the most important thing is all of our clients are happy, all of their documents are gotten, and Mr. Property, the property via Cozy Havens, we are making things happen. God bless you for trusting us. God bless you for trusting the brand. Please always learn to share this video so that other people can partake of these blessings, because real estate is a blessing. Always learn to share. Family, friends, and people that are interested in owning something that can pass as a generational asset to their generations to come. God bless you, Mr. Property, the property. I will see you in my next video. Stick around. Pumba! Gardens Phase 1 has been a massive success. We have been here since early this morning, not just to partake, but to dot our I's and cross our T's. And half of the job is not done until clients have taken possession, and that's why we are here. We go all out. Thank you for trusting the brand. Thank you for believing in us. Yes, you bought something imaginary, but now we can show you where exactly it is, and you can also take possession of your land. Legacy Gardens Phase 1, Imota, delivered. Thank you so much, Mr. Property. I will see you in a bit. Pumba!